Hi everybody, my name is Víctor Manuel Parrera Castañeda. This is my final activity about the course Phonetics and Phonology. Tag 7 recording. Number 1 reading. Emotion and state are feelings that are often intense, last for only a short time, in a quickly they fluctuate or caused by someone or some circumstances. Positive emotion includes the surprise or love and compassion, with most feel positive and enjoy to others by are always trying to be positive and thoughtful. Negative emotion include anger and sorority, regret, shame, sadness, envy, disgust. Number 2. Minimal parts. Cat bat, white wise, right road, kite night, take stick, cut coat, bean, till beard, teach fish, they pay, dig pig, digger pig, dog book, they bird, tall call, tool bull, take cape, toad coat, tongue gum, tea great, tap gap, tool go, tag gap, table gable, tin fin, tail fair, town phone, tick big. To number. Intonation. Statement with no stress. She works. We love it soaked. Statement with two stresses. Tom is reading. Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. Statement with three stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statement with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statement with five stresses. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special question, following intonation. What is your name? What is your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, raising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General questions, raising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request raising intonation. May I speak to Aya, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions, raising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? The questions, falling or raising intonation. Do you know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't to eat, should I? Commands for intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Requires intonation. Close the windows, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence following intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I am so happy. Direct address with intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumeration raising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Response. I can. She is. He will. You could. I can. He didn't. Thanks.